Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 stainless steel precision for a perfect beard, hair and body trim. It has 19 tools and accessories for all body zones. You can do face, head and body. And it says it has 5 more precision settings and it's new. On this side it does show you how to use the tool. Here are the many accessories that it comes with. You can conveniently use a USB charging, but the adapter is not included. It is 100% shower proof, easy to clean and maintain, maintenance free, no blade oil required. That's pretty cool. And here you go. You have first things first, and then you have the accessories. So let's see if it turns on. It does not. So there's the indicator that the battery is low or dead. So we're gonna have to go ahead and charge it. So all you need to do is go ahead and plug this in, and then you have the USB to plug in to the adapter that's not included. So let's take a look at it once it's fully charged. While it's charging, the LED in the front will be flashing, and once it's completely charged, this will turn solid white. I used my computer's USB to charge it, and it only took a couple of hours. Now that it's fully charged, let's hear how it sounds like. I think it's fairly quiet, and I've used it a few times already, and it does a really good job. And to change the accessories is fairly easy. All you have to do is hook the front first and then push the back down. And to take it off, you just do that. Same thing with the other ones. You hook the front first, then you push the back. And this one is adjustable, so if you see, okay, so let's take this off. Right now I actually grabbed this and pushed this down and pushed it by mistake, so it's easier to just grab it from the sides and then push it down. So let's go ahead and put the front first, snap the back, and that's it. And this one is also adjustable. That's pretty cool, right? So take it off. That's it. And if you want to take this off, you could just pull it from the front. You can clean it if you want, and then put it back the same way. First the back, then the front. It's easy to clean. While you're taking a shower, you could just go ahead and rinse it. You can also rinse it on the sink. I like that you can set it up standing. It takes less space this way. Another reason why you want to take this off is if you want to use this, which is the nose and ear trimmer. So you can take that off. This is wider than the first one. Also, you can use this one, which is smaller. So you have different options. You have these, the darker gray ones, for this, and the rest of them are for this one. These are not adjustable. These two are. And this one lastly. I really like that this can last up to 5 hours of runtime. I also like that it comes with all the accessories. Here is the long beard guard, adjustable comb, precision trimming guard, eyebrow guard, and you can read it there, bodyguard, steel precision trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, steel trimmer, fading guards. You have 2 left and right, 4 hair guards, and they're all different sizes, extra wide hair trimmer, pouch so you can put everything in there, the cleaning brush, instructions on how to use it, and lastly the trimmer, which looks really elegant, classy. I like how easy it is to hold and use. The one thing I would like is if instead of plugging this in, if I can just set it somewhere where I can charge it, that would be great. And I know that Philips can do it because I have a toothbrush where I actually just set it down until it's fully charged. But it's not a deal breaker. The battery lasts a long time, so I like it regardless. I really like that you can take your Philips in the shower and use it there, and also you can go ahead and rinse it, or perhaps if you want to rinse it here in the sink, that's perfect as well. It's waterproof. Just do not submerge underwater. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.